2 pounds of home-style meatballs. I have 2 bags of my free pepper and onion blend. We're gonna add right in there with our meatballs. This is a super easy and delicious crock pot dinner. I have 1 can of pineapple chunks with the juice, and we're gonna add that right into our crock pot with our meatballs and our peppers. This is so yummy, it's savory, it's sweet, it's everything you want in a dinner. I'm gonna add some minced garlic. You can use fresh if that's what you prefer. And we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of garlic. Oh, it's gonna be so yummy. I cannot wait to get this cooking so my whole house can smell like these delicious flavors. We're gonna go ahead and season this. I'm gonna do some fresh ground pepper, but the seasoning is all up to you. You can use whatever seasonings you like, but I'm gonna use what I like because I'm making it for me, so I might as well use what I like. I think that makes sense. I am gonna add a little bit of salt. Perfect. Skip the salt if you're worried about the sodium. And then for a nice little kick, I have my ground ginger, and we are going to add some of this right in there. I think it will really complement all these other flavors.
It smells delicious.
Oh yeah. Who doesn't love ginger?
Well, I do.
All right, and you could also do fresh ginger if you prefer. Last seasoning we're gonna do is some red pepper flakes, and I know a lot of you don't like the heat, but if you've been following me for a while, you know I like hot things. I love Dave's hot chicken. I love, a Nashville hot chicken, and I love red crushed pepper in my dinner.
It's not that spicy.
No, it's definitely not. All right, last ingredient is this teriyaki sauce. I'm using the P.F. Chang's one, but you can use whatever you prefer. I know that they have like a Kroger one that's super affordable, but I found this one for only like $3, and I was like, she's coming home with me. And we're gonna make sure to get as much of this sauce out as possible. I know sometimes it's a little bit hard to get the whole bottle empty, but we're gonna do our best. Whoo! Pineapple, teriyaki, meatballs. That sauce smells so good. All right, before we get this cooking, we're gonna give this a mix. We want everything to be well combined. The meatballs, the peppers, the garlic, all of that delicious seasoning we added. This is gonna be so yummy, and I really think that if you give this a try, you'll be super happy. All right, get that all in there. I think I might have used too many meatballs, so adjust to your liking. If you want a more saucy meatball, add less meatballs, add more sauce. It's kind of an eyeball it recipe, and that's how I like to cook. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and put our lid on, and we're gonna pop this one on high so that it can be ready in time for dinner. All right, it's been 2.5 hours on high. We're gonna pop this on warm. Oh my, that smells absolutely insane. Now we do want to thicken this up a little bit, so I have a 1/2 cup of cold water, and I have some cornstarch, and we're going to add about a tablespoon of cornstarch in here to make like a little slurry. Mix that up. This is just such an easy way to thicken up your sauce. And once we have that in there, we're going to pour it right into our crock pot. This is optional. If you don't really care if your sauce is thick or not, you can skip this, but I think it's just a nice little touch to make this a little bit more appetizing, but it smells so yummy. I cannot wait to give this a try. So we're just gonna leave this now and let that thicken up. All right, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Let's go ahead and serve it. Oh my God, it smells so good. I cannot get over it. You could serve this over some rice for a yummy, full meal. Woohoo! I cannot wait to give these a try.
It smells so good.
Right?
Are they good?
Those are incredible.